Well, we're back again. We're talking about the same virus stuff. Lysol kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, as well as it kills germs. Guys, you can see this stuff I have here is almost out from the stores. Gotta be prepared. This is how you fight a virus. This is how you kill a bacteria. This is how you kill germs. This is how you're trying to keep your immune system ready and prepared. Guys, I already restocked this. You guys have seen the videos, and these are just things that I'm gonna keep because conditions and situations are not even taming down or not coming down at the US in the US here. So basically, procrastinators now they tend to go out there started looking for stuff and they can find them because we as human beings we have the complete complacency for being not self-educated. We sit down, we don't try to learn, we don't want to educate ourselves. We say, oh, this is for other people, or this is gonna attack a certain people, or I'm not that kind of people, oh, I keep myself clean, oh, I try to do this. But preparedness and readiness and prevention is better than cure. It's better to be prepared now or later become sorry. But this is what it is. I'm not trying to cry anyone down because I try to encourage people to do exactly what they're supposed to do. So this is just the spray. I can able to use this and spray, once in a while. I spray the bedroom, I spray the entire house. And this is a mango and hibiscus scent it has on it. For people that like different flavors or whatever preferences. So for me, something that kills the virus or bacteria or germs. That's my concern. It's not like anything right now. You can use that for different things, cleaning utensils like the bathroom, kitchen, sinks, and toilet seats. You know, doorknobs and all good stuff. Okay, telephones, your couches, and I spray my car as well. You know, just me and my wife ride or drive most of the time, and she comes in the vehicle. We can do this kind of stuff just to disinfect. We go to gas stations, we gotta be careful. The nozzle, you gotta pay attention to that. These are little things that we tend to be complacent and we tend to be not taking the full responsibility. I'm gonna give you a tip. When you go to the gas station, don't grab the handle of the nozzle and just start it pumping right away. I'll encourage a lot of gas station. They have a paper towels there by the dispenser, or where you can able to use your squeegee. How you can clean your thing, your windshield. Grab those paper towels and wrap them into the nozzle so that you can push the trigger. Ever, never, don't touch the nozzle because it's hundreds of thousands of people. Those are the things that they never clean. They don't clean them at all. Some gas station they used to do back in the day when they do a routine clean, but mostly that happen on summertime. When their body push them out there, it's nice to clean up the pumps. Don't do that. And knobs that it's not your house. And even that you touch something or you go outside, you come back in, try to sterilize things, sanitize things. We see that in the hospital all the time. It's a routine. Guys, this is just, we are easy to be complacent because we are humans. So I've never used this one before, this thing. And I went to the store just checking out some things. Medications are out. I started looking. I found this is has a 40% more compared to 8 FL ounce size. So this one can is a multi-purpose thing to cleaning stuff. And I look at it, and this guy, if I have to run out of these guys right here, I have enough. I can able to mix some if my neighbors or anyone is in trouble. I know my loved ones. I can able to mix 20 gallons of this cleaning power. I can make 20 gallons by pouring this thing. 20 gallons is a lot to supply. Is a lot. So if I have the opportunity right now to get my hands into this thing and save this one in the time to come, this kind of greenish color, I can save a lot of people. I can help a lot of people, a lot of homes by mixing it. One, I just saw that last week on the news in Minnesota, and I saw a company that was given out or given away, okay, some hand sanitizer. You can see a line of people. That's just amazing how that company come up with that. Instead of pouring, people are just driving, they put in their water bottles and all kind of containers they filled up for them. They do that almost for hours, and they're saving lives. People are so happy because they can't find those hand sanitizer anymore. So you can squeeze it just like a foam thing, and that's what they're using. Look at these things, do the same thing I just read on the other label. They're the same brand, but this one can treat 20 gallons, make 20 gallons of cleaning power. So if you're talking about 20 gallons here, I already have about 80 gallons I can able to give to the community when the time comes. If I'm not sick, I'm not affected, or infected, sorry, I can able to help a lot of people with these supplies here. Just the one I have. This ones I'm saving this for the car and for a bedroom. And my wife got up from work. I got up from work, and I'm gonna do the same thing and disinfect shoes, uniform before stepping in the house. And I do the same thing before stepping in the house. I have sanitizer in the vehicle, and anytime I touch something, come into my car, I'm gonna, do disinfect my hands and my steering wheel, my shifting rod, or my shifting gear rod, and or my shifter and my blinker handle, all that kind of stuff. Just a routine, okay? You have to be a kind of like you're obsessed with things right now, the way things are. They say germophobic or whatever. Don't care what people think. Say, oh, it's a one time someone's gonna die or blah blah blah. We're all gonna die anyway. People are saying that because people who don't care, the reckless ones, are the ones saying that, make a mockery of you, making fun of you, so that you can join them into the same nonsense. And it doesn't take that hard. It takes a little for someone to feel like, oh yeah, it's my buddy, we don't care. Come on, high five this, that. No, no high five, no fist bump, no elbow, no. I'm not doing it. I love you from a distance. That's why I tell people, that's my new statement. I'm loving you from a distance. I care about you and you care about me. I'm going to care about you as well. But hey, stay healthy, because I want to see you alive. I want us to be together. I don't want to lose you as a friend. You don't want to lose me. That's my statement. People make fun of me. It's okay. I don't care. I know I'm going to die someday, but I'm going to use my intellectuals. I'm going to be using my brain. I'm using myself. Lysol is a very good cleaning or disinfectant. You cannot find that anymore. Lysol, Lysol kills 99.9% of virus and bacteria. Clean and fresh, multi-surface purpose. You can do that. You can use it for anything. You can mop, clean, whatever. Clean your countertop and everything. So this is what I have for you guys today. Another video here for you guys. I hope you're going to learn. You're going to listen. We're going to do the right thing, because I want to see you guys more on my channel. Hey, like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it. Live from Minnesota, JW Solo USA.